Do you also want to learn how to generate videos and images for free using Meta AI? And do you want to create YouTube automation videos? Then this video is for you. Watch the video till the end to become an automation expert. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do it quickly. So, let's move towards the video. Meta AI is becoming one of the most powerful free tools for generating videos and images, especially for creators who want to work without showing their face. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process of how to generate videos and pictures using Meta AI, and how to write high-quality prompts with the help of ChatGPT so you get professional results every time. If you've ever opened Meta AI and felt confused about what to type, why your results don't look like what you imagined, or how creators are generating cinematic videos and realistic images, this video will clear everything step by step. Make sure you watch till the end because the small details I'll share later can completely change your results. First, let's understand what Meta AI actually is. Meta AI is an artificial intelligence tool developed by Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. It allows you to generate images and short videos simply by typing text prompts. You don't need editing skills, you don't need a powerful computer, and you don't need paid software to get started. To begin, open your browser and go to Meta AI. If you're using Facebook or Instagram, you'll often find Meta AI integrated directly into the platform. Log in with your Meta account and make sure you're signed in properly before starting. Once you're inside, you'll see a simple text box where you can type your prompt. This is where most people make mistakes. They type very short prompts like, create a video of a man working on a laptop, or, generate an image of a city. Meta AI will still generate something, but the results usually look generic, boring, or low quality. The secret is not the tool itself. The secret is the prompt. Before we even write prompts in Meta AI, the smartest approach is to first use ChatGPT to design professional prompts. ChatGPT helps you think clearly, structure your idea, and include all the details Meta AI needs to generate better visuals. Open ChatGPT in a separate tab. Now instead of asking Meta AI directly, tell ChatGPT what you want to create. For example, you can type something like, I want to generate a cinematic AI video using Meta AI. Help me write a detailed prompt for it. Then explain your idea in simple words. Let's say you want to create a video for a faceless YouTube automation channel. You can tell ChatGPT that the video is for educational or motivational content, that the audience is from the USA, and that the style should look modern and professional. ChatGPT will then generate a structured prompt. But don't just copy and paste immediately. Read it carefully. Make sure the prompt includes details like the environment, lighting, camera movement, mood, style, and realism level. These details are extremely important for Meta AI. Now let's walk through an example. Suppose you want to generate a video of a person working from home. In ChatGPT, you can ask for a prompt like this. Write a detailed Meta AI prompt for a realistic cinematic video showing a young professional working on a laptop in a modern home office, suitable for YouTube automation content. ChatGPT will usually give you a long descriptive prompt. It might mention things like soft natural lighting coming from a window, a clean modern desk, minimal background noise, smooth camera motion, and realistic facial expressions even if the face is not the main focus. Once you have that prompt, copy it and go back to Meta AI. Paste the full prompt into the text box. Before generating, double-check the format. Avoid unnecessary emojis or symbols. Keep it clean, descriptive, and clear. Now generate the video. Meta AI will take a few moments to process. When the result appears, don't rush. Watch the entire video carefully. Check the movement, lighting, realism, and overall feel. If something feels off, that's normal. AI generation often requires multiple attempts. Here's an important trick most beginners don't know. If the result is not perfect, don't start from scratch. Slightly modify the prompt. For example, you can add phrases like ultra-realistic, high-quality cinematic lighting, or smooth camera motion. Small changes in wording can drastically improve results. The same process applies to image generation. If you want to create thumbnails, background visuals, or social media images, you can use Meta AI in the same way. Start with ChatGPT. Describe exactly what you want. Ask ChatGPT to write a prompt specifically optimized for Meta AI image generation. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for a YouTube thumbnail image with bold lighting, high contrast, and a clean background. ChatGPT will generate a prompt that you can directly use in Meta AI. Once the image is generated, download it and store it in an organized folder. This is very important for automation. Always name your files properly so you don't waste time later searching for visuals. Now let's talk about consistency. If you want to build a successful automation channel, your visuals should have a consistent style. To do this, reuse certain phrases in your prompts. For example, always mention modern cinematic style, soft natural lighting, or professional look. This creates visual consistency across your videos. Another important point is originality. Never try to copy someone else's exact prompt. You can take inspiration, but always rewrite prompts using ChatGPT so your content remains unique. This helps you stay safe with YouTube policies and monetization in the long run. When generating videos with Meta AI, remember that shorter clips usually perform better visually. If you need longer visuals, generate multiple short clips and combine them during editing. This gives you more control and better pacing. For voiceover-based automation videos, your visuals don't need to be overly complex. They just need to match the topic and maintain viewer attention. Meta AI visuals combined with a clean AI voiceover work extremely well for educational and explainer content. Now let's discuss how to improve engagement. Engagement starts from the first few seconds. When you plan your script, make sure your opening lines create curiosity. Your visuals should also match that energy. If your script talks about how AI is changing content creation, your visuals should show futuristic or tech-inspired scenes. Always think of Meta AI as your visual assistant, not your brain. The thinking and planning should come from you, with ChatGPT's help. Meta AI simply turns your ideas into visuals. If you ever feel stuck, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to improve your prompt. You can say, rewrite this prompt to make it more cinematic, or improve this Meta AI prompt for realistic results. ChatGPT is extremely good at refining prompts. Another powerful strategy is testing. Generate the same idea using 2 or 3 slightly different prompts. Compare the results and see which one looks better. Over time, you'll develop your own prompt style. For USA-based audiences, keep visuals clean, modern, and realistic. Avoid overly cartoonish styles unless your niche requires it. Professional, realistic visuals generally perform better for educational and automation content. As you keep practicing, you'll notice that prompt writing becomes easier. What once took 20 minutes will start taking just a few minutes. This is how automation becomes scalable. Meta AI and ChatGPT together form a powerful combination. ChatGPT helps you think, structure, and write. Meta AI helps you visualize those ideas without expensive tools or teams. By following this step-by-step process, planning your idea, using ChatGPT to write detailed prompts, refining those prompts, and then generating visuals in Meta AI, you can create high-quality faceless videos consistently. If you stay patient, keep testing, and focus on quality over quantity, This method can help you build a professional automation channel without showing your face, without advanced editing skills, and without high costs. And remember, the more detailed your prompt, the better your result. AI doesn't guess your imagination. You have to describe it clearly. Once you master this skill, creating videos and images with Meta AI becomes fast, simple, and incredibly powerful. To watch more informative videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.